Hello beautiful! Halloween is around the corner, so let's start off with our Halloween makeups. Today I'll show you how to create the special effect of a burned face/open wound, so stay tuned if you are interested. Okay, let's begin with creating a sketch of our wound because I personally feel it really helps creating a better final result. Use a dark red lip pencil to outline the size and shape of the wound that you want to have. Now let's move on to our Sculpt gel, which comes in 3 parts. Using a steel spatula, mix equal parts of A and B. Make sure to clean your spatula really well every time you apply the new product. I'm sure you'll feel it's quite challenging to mix A and B parts together, and this is where part C comes into play. Add an equal amount of part C to a mixture, and this will make the mixture easier to work with. Now when the mixture is ready, let's start creating our wound. Apply the mixture to the contour of the wound that you have just created with the red pencil, and then start filling in your wound with Sculpt gel mixture. Before the mixture starts drying out, blend the edges of the wound into your skin. Now that you feel that your mixture has become sticky, start working on the details of your wound. I'm trying to make the edges of the wound more vivid along with the inner part of the wound. Don't be afraid of creating a mess here because what we're trying to achieve here is a disgusting open wound with burned flesh. So the messier it looks, the better. Here how the final result should look like. And now let it dry for some minutes. Our wound is nearly dry. Now let's set it down with some powder. I didn't want to use any expensive sponges in order to do so, so I grabbed a new sponge which you would normally use in the kitchen. And since I didn't need such a huge one, I cut a smaller piece from it. Once you have your sponge ready, dip it into the face powder and set your wound with it. Now we'll be working with some colors. I'm starting off with a black eyeshadow, with the help of which I'm outlining the edges and creating the depth to my wound. I'm also adding some red eyeliner to the wound itself and the edges. I'm blending the red eyeliner with my fingers to get the effect of stained blood on my face. Now once the first steps are made, let's add even more detail to our look. With the help of the black eyeshadow, add more depth to a wound. Also add the eyeshadow to one of the corners of your wound to achieve the effect of burned skin. I also suggest applying some foundation or concealer to the wound to make it look more natural. The process of creating the wound is quite time consuming because you want to make it look as natural as possible. Since I also wanted to add a little bit more drama to my look, I decided to apply more red color to it. And now it's time for the blood. Apply some to the sponge that you're not afraid to throw away and dab the blood onto your wound. And you'll know when to stop. Finally, I'll be adding some nude lip gloss onto my wound. This very easy step will make the skin look a bit wet. I'm sure you have noticed that wounds are normally not dry and that they discharge some kind of moisture. I'm not sure how it's called though. So this is what we're going to do right now. Also blend the vampire blood a bit with your fingers to achieve the stain from blood skin effect. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Post your Halloween video responses and requests in the comment section below. Stay always happy, healthy, and beautiful, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other Halloween tutorials. Thanks and bye.